What if I told you, you could get paid, not monthly, not quarterly, but every single week? That's right. While most investors are waiting 30 days, or even 90 days, for income, there's a new wave of ETFs quietly paying investors weekly cash flow. And today, we're breaking down 5 of the most talked about weekly income ETFs: ULTY, AAPW, TSLW, NVDY, CONY. These aren't your traditional dividend ETFs. They're aggressive. They're controversial. And they might completely change how you think about passive income. But here's the catch: some investors are earning massive income, while others are watching their portfolios slowly erode. So in this video, we're going deep. How these ETFs actually generate weekly income, the hidden risks nobody talks about, which ones might be worth it, and which ones could be traps. Make sure you stay until the end, because I'll rank all 5, and tell you which one I would actually buy. Hello viewers, if you're enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with this, and remember to comment and share. Why weekly dividends exist? Let's start with the big question. How is it even possible to get paid every week? Because traditional companies don't pay weekly dividends. So what's going on here? These ETFs are using a strategy called options-based income generation, specifically covered calls, synthetic income strategies, volatility harvesting. Here's the simplified version. Instead of waiting for companies to pay dividends, these ETFs are creating income artificially by selling options, collecting premiums, distributing that income to investors. And because options can expire weekly, that's how you get weekly payouts. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the trade-off: you are sacrificing upside growth, long-term compounding, and sometimes your principal. The big trade-off. Before we dive into each ETF, you need to understand this: high income does not equal high return. In fact, many of these ETFs pay huge distributions but slowly lose value over time. This is called NAV erosion. So yes, you might get paid every week, but your investment could be shrinking. Think of it like this: you're not just earning income, you might be getting your own money back. That's why this video is critical. Because we're not just chasing yield, we're looking for sustainable income. ETF breakdowns. ETF number 1, ULTY, Yield Max Ultra Option Income ETF. Let's start with one of the most aggressive income ETFs, ULTY. ULTY is designed to generate extremely high income using option strategies across multiple underlying assets. High volatility exposure. Pros: very high yield potential, weekly income distributions, diversified options exposure. Cons: extremely volatile, significant NAV erosion risk. Complex strategy. Who it's for? ULTY is for investors who want maximum income now, don't care as much about long-term growth. Reality check: ULTY is not a set it and forget it ETF. It requires monitoring. Because if volatility drops, income drops too. ETF number 2, AAPW, Apple Weekly Income ETF. Next up, AAPW. This ETF focuses on one of the biggest companies in the world, Apple, but instead of just holding the stock, AAPW uses covered call strategies on Apple weekly options income. Pros: backed by a strong underlying company, more stable than some others, consistent options demand. Cons: caps upside growth, still exposed to tech volatility. Income depends on market conditions. Who it's for? Investors who, like Apple, want income instead of growth. Insight: compared to ULTY, AAPW is less aggressive, but still income focused. ETF number 3, TSLW, Tesla Weekly Income ETF. Now we move to one of the most volatile stocks in the market, Tesla, and the ETF, TSLW. Why it's interesting: Tesla's volatility makes it perfect for options income strategies. More volatility equals more premium. Pros: high income potential, strong options premiums, weekly payouts. Cons: extremely volatile, depends heavily on Tesla's price, swings can drop fast. Who it's for? Investors who understand Tesla's volatility, want aggressive income warning. This is not a safe income ETF. It's a high-risk, high-reward income play. ETF number 4, NVDY, NVIDIA Income ETF. Next, NVDY built around one of the hottest stocks in recent years. NVIDIA, why people love it. AI boom, massive stock momentum, huge options premiums. Pros: strong underlying company, high income potential, popular among income investors. Cons: caps, explosive upside, sensitive to tech pullbacks, income can fluctuate. Who it's for: investors who believe in AI long-term, want income from NVIDIA Insight. NVDY sits in a sweet spot, high income plus strong underlying growth story, but remember, you're trading growth for income. ETF number 5, CONY, Coinbase Income ETF. Finally, CONY, this one is tied to Coinbase and indirectly crypto markets. This is the most volatile of them all. Pros: extremely high income potential, massive options premiums, explosive upside periods. Cons: highly unstable, tied to crypto cycles, big drawdowns possible. Who it's for: investors who understand crypto volatility, want aggressive income reality. CONY can pay huge income and drop just as fast. Comparison: let's rank them based on different categories. Highest income potential: CONY ULTY TSLW. Most stable: AAPW NVDY. Highest risk: CONY TSLW ULTY. Best balance: NVDY. The big truth: here's what most YouTubers won't tell you. Weekly income ETFs are not magic. They are income tools, not wealth building machines. If your goal is long-term growth, right pointing arrow. These are not ideal. Cash flow, right pointing arrow. These can be useful. The smartest strategy: combine them with traditional ETFs. So, should you forget monthly dividends? Not completely. But these weekly income ETFs can be a powerful tool if used correctly. My personal ranking: NVDY, best balance; AAPW, safer income; ULTY, high income, high risk; TSLW, very volatile; CONY, extreme risk. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Investing involves risk, including the loss of principal. Always do your own research before investing. If you made it this far, you now understand something most investors don't: how weekly income actually works. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment your favorite ETF, subscribe for more investing breakdowns, and remember, income is great, but total return is what builds wealth.